I'm about to create my first Chrome extension from scratch in 30 minutes with no technical coding knowledge. I am going to give it a go with Chat-GPT on my side. Let's see what we can create. Let's go. Prior knowledge, I don't have technical skills. I am very, very basic in knowing some HTML, CSS. I don't know anything else, to be honest. I know how to read it. I don't know how to write it. So my idea is I realized I needed to keep something pretty simple. So I went with this Chrome extension allows you to write, say 5 articles. And then if you want to add more or bookmark more, you have to read other articles first. I'm calling it 5-head news. I mean, 5-head if all the Twitch memes out there. So it's already created a description for me. Save up to 5 articles. It's highly prompt to read the saved articles before saving more. Stay focused, declutter your reading list. So pretty much the purpose of why I created this. So it gave me the features and how to create the Chrome extension. So it sent me this first. And then it said this response only provides an overview on how to create the 5-head news Chrome extension. And I went, no, actually write all the code so I can create a Chrome extension. So it says I'll provide you a basic version of the 5-head Chrome extension. So I'm seeing all this here, all the coders right now going, oh, I know what to do potentially, but I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. So I asked it, can I just create a folder on my Windows computer to run this? Do I just input everything in text folder? And we're going to start from here and see what we come up with. So I'm going to save them to my G drive. You're probably going to cringe because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but like, I don't even know how to. Like, so I'm going to print to my other monitor and let's see. So create a new folder on your computer and name it 5-head news. So I'm going to create 5-head news. And so you can see here, I've created it. Let's just make this a bit smaller so you can see what I'm doing actually. Okay, so, all right, cool. So create inside a news folder using a text editor like Notepad+. So I have Notepad+ here. Copy and paste code provided. Save each file after pasting each code. So let's start off with number 3. So let's see. So we got the manifest JSON here. Actually, no, there's copy code here. How cool is that? So save as. We will save it into my other news. What do we got here? What do they want me to call it? Manifest JSON. All right, sure. Let's just call it that. I didn't do anything else. Oh, we'll find out. So we got that. And then we'll go Notepad++ again. We'll do a new one. And then we'll copy the background. Background JS JavaScript. Yes, I know that one. Background JS. Save. New one. And this one will be to pop-up HTML, style CSS, create new. Okay, cool. So pop.html, save that, save as pop-up.html. Now I don't know if I need to save it in the format apart from text, so we'll find out. We'll definitely run into some problems. This isn't like, just trying this out. So let's save this. Obviously, we can change the CSS stuff. Like, I know how to read a bit of CSS stuff, so we'll change it once we see what it looks like. And finally, create a new file called popup.js. So this isn't fully linked, so we'll just copy the code, and we'll just do popup.js. Oh, ooh, no. Copy the code here. So popup.js, and done. Alrighty, so we've got so we've done that. Now, design to create the icons P48. Alright, so I'm assuming these are the thumbnails or something, but let's just ask ChatGPT. So what are the 2 icons? 2 icons, icon 48 PNG and icon are the visual representations of your Chrome extension. It will be displayed in various places, such as the extension store. Alright, so it is what I assumed, which is the thumbnail or whatever you want to call it, or just a little thing. So size 48 by 48. So we're going to go on Canva. We're going to design something quickly. So I got Canva here. So let's just type in, you know what, let's just do news. Let's just use this one. You know, it looks pretty good. 5 head news. And we get a 5 head. Let's just chuck this in. Copy and paste this into the back. And put it there. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Let's make this a bit bigger. And let's bring that up, I reckon. And let's bring that down. Let's actually put this in a different line. So we'll just do that. And just do this. I prefer actually the red. So we'll just do this. Alrighty. This is the roughest thing I'd ever create. Like, this is so quick. So normally I wouldn't be doing this, but you know what? It's just how it is. Actually, this is like the icon here, right? I'm just looking at my ones over there. You know what? Let's just create a different one. You know what? I know the idea here. We'll just do this. Bam. It's too big. Let's go back to it. Alright, so we'll do this. So that's the number 2. So we'll download this. I'll just download the first, second one. Done. We'll call it. What did they ask me to do? Do this. Icon 48. Boom. And we download it. Alright, this down, and we'll go back home, and we'll create the second one. We'll be asking for a 128 pixel one, so we'll do 128 pixel. So I'll actually take my other design. I'm assuming this is a thumbnail, so we can actually probably put a bit more ink into it. We'll just do this, just make it a bit bigger. The 5 head here, but I think we can just do this. How about that? That looks alright. You know what? Like, we're here to experiment. We're not here to make. We're not designers here. Like, we're not trying to, you know, spend thousands on creating a good design. We're literally here to have a bit of fun. Okay. So it should be called icon G.png. We'll download. Actually, I don't think we need to do PNG because we'll save it as PNG anyways. Anyway, whatever. Either way, we have the extensions. Where is this saving onto? Let's see. Saving onto my documents. So I'll take this out. Actually, where is this one being saved? Did I not save this? Okay, not so. Okay, so we'll just download it again. Cool. Alrighty, we got both done. Alright, let's take a look at now what's asking us. Okay, so I'll chuck it into here for now while we figure out what's the next step. Let's go back to, I think. Alright, create 2 versions, one side, blah, blah, blah. Save each version as PNG with respective file names, blah, blah, blah. Place both inside a 5-head news folder. Okay, these icons now be even displaying your, okay, cool. Alright, I've done all this. What's next? So let's ask Chat-GPT. Great, now that you've created all the necessary files, added the icons, you can proceed to learn and test your Chrome extension in Google Chrome. Here's how to do it. Open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type Chrome extensions. So let's just start doing it now. Boom. Alright, and boom, press enter. This will open the top right, enable developer mode by toggling the switch. I've already done that. Click the load unpacked button, which appears in the top left and up after load unpacked. And here we go. Let's see what this will do. 5-head new, select folder. Not load icon is specified in icons, do not load manifest. Okay. So we've already running some issues. Okay. So we're running some issues here. Let's just see. Let's just do this. Wait, did it save? Possible. Alright, let's just do this again. Actually, sorry. Okay, so let's just see what it says. manifest is missing, or manifest is missing. Okay, let me just check I got the right folder. Let me just first check the instructions are right. Load, packed, unpacked. Okay, yeah, so could not load icons specified in icons. Alright, so let's just give the errors and see what it says. I got these errors. So we'll do 1 and then we'll do 2. There might be an issue with the icon files or the manifest files. Resolve, please rectify. Ensure that the icon files, icon, PNG, icon, are located in the 510 use folder alongside the other sections. I think I've done that. The icons have different names, created accordingly. Alright, so let's just, you know what, let's just, I don't think it will solve the issue, but I will change this into a standard PNG. See if that does anything. Probably not gonna lie, but at this stage, you never know, right? You should that the following files, okay, double check the content, make sure there are no syntax errors such as missing commas, brackets, the content. Alright, so after verifying, try loading set open. Alright, cool. So it's telling us to do the same thing. So I've changed that. The manifest is here, Adobe After Effects. After Effects JSON. Alright, so delete this. We'll rewrite our manifest JSON. So we'll chuck that in, and we will we'll call it this. Exact name. Save as manifest.json. A JSON thing here. It is. Why can't I just do this? Tiles are already open. Yeah, okay. No, let's just get rid of it. Okay, so we'll try this method. Probably not. Actually, you know what? I'll save it like this again. Let's see if it'll work. So once again, same thing. We try. So cannot load manifest. So okay, we're getting somewhere with not load icon. Okay, well, you know what? Let's just load it again. Cannot load specified in icon. Interesting. So it's not giving me the 128 issue. It's giving. Oh, it's. I'm silly. It's. Alright. That should solve this issue. Alright, there you go. Save up to 5 articles being prompted. Okay, errors. Okay, you know what? That's fine. We're here to test around. Okay. So, now we have this working. Alright, let's see. If you try to say, attribute it. The current article should automatically be added to your saved article up to. Click on the browse to news article. Alright, let's just go to the news article. You know, SVB studying stuff right now, so we'll go to news.com. Alrighty, now probably need to find the extension. So it is here. We'll pin it here. So how does this save? Click on the kind of click on the extension part to open the pop-up. Okay. It's not adding anything yet. So okay, it's loading, but when I try to save an article, it doesn't save. And we also add a button to delete an article. It's loading, but when I try to save, it doesn't save. And we add, okay, you know what? Can we add 2 buttons? Can we add 2 buttons to delete an article and also save an article? So when someone goes on to a news article, they then press onto the Chrome extension and then press save article. Let's see what it does. Sure, I can help you add the save article and delete buttons to the extension, follow the steps to modify existing code, update the pop.html, include save article. So we've gotten somewhere. The 5-head news article head. You know what? This logo doesn't actually look that bad, funny enough. But obviously right now it's not saving articles. It is just purely just sitting there as a 5-head thing. Which isn't what we wanted to do. We wanted to save articles. So let's just wait for it to come up with pop.html, pop.js, see what it can come up with. But as you can see, how awesome is this? Like, what, we started at 340. I probably loaded these prompts in at 330. So it's less than half an hour and I'm already creating a working web extension that doesn't really do anything yet, but hoping we'll do something quite soon. So we've got the pop.html, so let's go alter it. You know what, we'll just alter this, to be honest. I think that will be fine. Because what I'm assuming we can do is we can just press the update button here, using my very basic knowledge. So yeah, so we'll just wait for a bit. But leave a comment below. What are you going to try with Chat-GPT-4? I know I'm going to try creating a bunch of, Chrome extensions. I've always wanted to create Chrome extensions, but I'm not a techie. But with this now, like, the power you can do is just amazing. So, update the pop.js file. Maybe it's this file, which I accidentally named pop.js, which is potentially why this isn't working. So that might be a silly mistake from my part. We'll just quickly check the files. Pop, that's the HTML. This should be the JS, right? So, okay. So this could be, save it, and we'll actually rename it to pop up. So this might be a silly mistake from my part. You might have picked it up in the video that I did not do this correctly. It's probably the best way to put it. I don't want to do that. So, no. Hopefully it opens. Let's just open this into, open this. That is not what I'm trying to do. Okay, let's just open it here. Pop up. Alright, so it should be there. And then let us now update the style CSS. Oh, does that look right? So I'm not sure. Okay, let's go read the HTML a bit, because I'm not sure if I meant to delete everything. So pop up HTML background.js. Let's just take a look at what this. Put it into a new. Actually, I want to put new file. And then let's just scroll down. Is it an update? So it looks like this is definitely. I can update this. Looks like, hopefully. So if I just post that, softly, that should be okay. So update channel, save an article. Okay, let's just open the pop-up.js. Actually, this is the new one, right? Okay. You know what? Let's just trust it. Let's just hopefully. I just can tell that this style CSS is. I'm not meant to replace this. I'm meant to just add it here. So we'll just save that. Save all this. Save all this, and then we'll update and see what it does. I'm gonna assume there's gonna be mistakes because I just did not do things correctly, I think. But we'll see what it does. It's just updated. All right, cool. So let's see what it does. Save article and delete. We did it. We created our first Chrome extension. How about that? Let's just, chuck in news article. Just chuck a bunch of news articles. Just, chuck this. Save article. Save article. Can I save the same article? I can. And boom. Oh, that is not what I want to see. Is it because okay, it might be because this is the same article. It's doing that. Let's just make sure we're not in the client call. All right, cool. So, if I delete that. Ooh, okay. So it's deleting certain. Is it because of the same website? All right, so let's just go back. Okay, you know what? It's because these two are the same websites. So let's just save these two and delete. It's because it's the same website, right? Oh, are they? Am I just dumb? Wait, let me just redo this again. These four should all be the same. I mean, different articles. If I delete this, it's fine. Okay. Maybe I was deleting the same article. I need to rewind and check it back. I'll probably do a rewind again. Make sure I'm not, Okay, so these are definitely two of the same articles. Save article. And we'll just do a news article. All right, and then let's just delete. All right, cool. So it works. So we got a working Chrome extension. How fun is that? Now I need to see if I can upload it into the Chrome extension store. Obviously, there's like security reasons and stuff like that. I'm not here to steal people's data. So I need to take a look at that, but hopefully this video is interesting. I just created this Chrome extension from scratch, which is awesome. So yeah, hopefully this video is interesting. But yeah, I will probably mess around and build more Chrome extensions for fun. But yeah, hopefully you found this video interesting, and I'll see you in the next one.